Hello all. Well, after the transfer pump issue this morning, I was able to get on the tractor and do a little bit of work at about 1 o'clock today. I worked on it about an hour, and then all of a sudden, a hydraulic line busted. Well, it didn't bust. It pulled out of the socket, which I have never seen that happen before. But again, it's my luck. So I have to get that fixed. That's probably another $80 or so to get it fixed because I got the green tractor. Again, if it's not one thing, it's another on the Homestead. But I got half of the area I wanted for my pig pens to go in. So just got to work on it as little at a time, just like anything else. Okay, guys, take care. Don't forget to follow. Check out my TikTok shop. Have a good night, all. See ya. Later.